So welcome guys. So in this module, I'm going to be teaching you or walking you through the future trading interface. Okay. So of course, this is our Binance. So the moment you log in, all you need to do is go to your feature section. Okay. So you click on it, and okay. So this is how it opens. Okay. It's just like the sports market. Okay, but then there's just one or two differences that I'm going to help you understand better. Okay. So this is it. So the first you're going to be seeing when you come on, of course, is your pair. So we are currently on the BTC Ethereum USDT pair. Okay. So you can see the next one we have is the what is the leverage. Of course, I already taught you guys about leverage. Okay, so once you want to change your leverage, you can click on it, and then we have the cross or isolated margin. Okay, so you can either choose which one you want to do. Okay, so the next one we have is the leverage itself. So you can see that Ethereum leverage has leverage up to has its own leverage running from 1 to what to 100. Okay, so you can change it depending on your risk tolerance. Okay, so what next we have again? We now have the buy to show that you're actually on the buy region, or you maybe you want to long the market, or you're trying to see the market is going to go up. Okay, that is the buy. Then we have the sell. You can also change it to the sell. You can see, so when you say okay, the market is going to fall from a higher position to a lower position. Okay, so what we now have next is your available balance. You can see it here, right? So available balance. Okay, so I currently have $73 in this account. So if you click, maybe let's say you want to add some money on your features account, so you're just going to click on this icon here. So once you click on that icon there, you're going to see transfer from your spot wallet to your features wallet. Of course, okay, of course you're going to be using your future USDM wallet, because you're going to be measuring your profit in dollars. Okay, so that's when it should be on. Okay, so let's say after your transfer, that's the end of it. So this is the limits. Of course, I taught you guys about the types of orders that we have. Okay, but then you're most likely going to be using limit orders always. Okay, so just leave it at the limit here. Before if you click it, you're going to see the post only, but what I use mainly is my limit order. Okay, along the line you're going to learn about other orders. Okay, so this is actually the price that's which you want to short from. So remember, this is the sell. When we're actually in the sell, the sell interface. Okay, so this is when let's say you want to short Ethereum from 1671.82. Okay, maybe after you've done your analysis on TradingView, you pick your entry price. Okay, so this is your entry price, right? So you're going to come here, and then of course you're going to leave it in USDT, because you're measuring what in USDT. So because your analysis on TradingView is in USDT. Okay, so you leave it in USDT. So this place here is where you're going to put the amount of money you want to use and short the market. Mind you, if you're putting the amount of money you want to use and short the market, make sure you must have already multiplied it by your leverage. Okay, so let's assume you look at my account here. My account is reading what? Is reading $73.88, right? And let's assume I want to short this market with 30x. Kind of how I want to use um let's say I want to use $50 to short the market. Now I'm not going to come here and put $50. In as much as I want to use $50 to short the market, right? But I'm not going to come here and put $50. I'm going to multiply the 50 by my 30. So it's going to give me what? That's 1,500, right? So I'm going to come here and put what? 1,500. I've multiplied it by my leverage. Okay, so you're going to put 1,500 here. Okay, you can see it already, so you can see and see how much it's going to cost you. So it's going to cost me what? $51. Okay, so you can actually adjust it so it actually gives you $50. If you want to actually go with $50, it's a pocket, but me, I can just go with $51 because it's still within the same amount of money I want to use and trade. Okay, so sometimes when you trade on your Binance, on your TradingView, when you do analysis, you can actually see your take profits and your stop loss immediately. Okay, so it's very necessary that you learn how to put your stop loss and take profit even before the trade gets triggered. Okay, of course you can see this particular region here. Look at this particular, there's what we call STP or SS. So once you toggle it on, you're going to see a portion to put your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, but then you can actually go for advanced. Let's say you want to go for the advanced, just click on this advanced. Let me show you something about the advanced. So once you click on the advanced, you can see where it's going to take you. Okay, you see the same thing. Okay, you're just going to see where you're going to put your take profit. Okay, just put your take profit here. So let's say, remember, I want to short the market from what's the current price? Sorry, let me see what the current price is. We want to short the market from 1677, right? So we just come here, and then let's say we want to short the market to 1650. Okay, so you can see here that this advance will only show you exactly how much you're going to be making, should in case you hit TP. Okay, so if I hit my take profit, this is what I'm going to be making. Okay, so you can see that this is my take profit, right? So if I successfully hit TP, this is what I'm going to make in. So you also put your stop loss here, so you're able to know how much you're going to make and how much you're going to lose. So let's say my stop loss is 1680. Okay, so let's say this is my stop loss. Okay, so if I hit stop loss, I'm going to be losing what, just $1. You can see how the thing works. Okay, so the moment you're done fixing this, all you need to do is what, is click on confirm, and they have been set. Of course, you can see them here. Okay, so you can actually use this icon to what, to edit them. Okay, let's say you want to edit them, just click here and you can edit them. Okay, so once you're done doing that, all you need to do is click on your short and your trade is going to be placed. Okay, so once you click on your short, this is where the trade is going to be placed. Okay, so you can see that my own trade is placed here. You can see I have a few trades on my open orders. Okay, so they are here, they are open orders here. You can see I have Ethereum, BNB short, BNB long. So why they are still here is because they are yet to be triggered. Of course, before the market is going to be triggered, price must have actually gotten to my entry. Okay, so if the price does not get to my entry, this is how these orders will still remain here. Okay, then you can see the open position here, the open position. So let's assume any trade has been triggered, you're going to be seeing it here. Okay, so whether it's running in loss or running at profit, you're going to be seeing it here, and you're going to be seeing the statistics of the trade. Okay, so what next again? What next again? Okay, let me open a position so that you're going to see it clearly. So let me use 100x leverage. Then let me use 100. Let me just use $1 to open a trade. Okay, let me short it immediately. So this is what I'm talking about. 0.4. Okay, you can see you're just going to see a pop-up telling you what you're going to be doing, and then just click on confirm. Then it's going to short the market. Of course, you can see that what I've short the market now. You can see the information is an open position now. So if you want to share your PNL, people used to say you want to share your PNL. This is where you come and share your PNL here. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to have access to your PNL. Okay, you can see the PNL there. You can just click on save here, and what you share your PNL. Okay, it's going to be saved on your Google. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's assume you want to, maybe you forgot to put your stop loss and take profit automatically. You can manually set them. You can see it here, right? So just going to come here and click on what, and click on not here, not this one, rather don't put it on this one, go to this particular one, position TP or Excel. So you click here, and of course you can see it. You're going to put your TP here, and you're going to put your SL here. You're also going to see the amount of money you're going to be making. So let's assume I put my TP as 1650. Okay, you can see that at the end of the day I'm going to be making what, I'm going to be making $1.69. Okay, if I put my stop loss here as, let's say, 1680, I'm going to be losing what, 0.7. You can see there 0.7. Okay, so this is exactly how you do it. Once you're done, you just click on what, you click on confirm, and it has been placed. Okay, so you can see that, you can see at this particular moment, you can see this market is now currently running at a loss. So you can see that what I've set my TP and TP. So whichever one gets triggered first, the market is going to be executed. So if the price gets to my TP first, my TP is going to be executed. If the market gets to my take stop loss first, my stop loss is going to be executed. Okay, and then I'm going to be in loss. Okay, so you see, this is how you do these things. Okay, so you can see the market is currently at a loss now. That's why you're seeing what, minus 9% here. Okay, so you can also see this particular region here now. This is the profit. This is my realized PNL. So meaning, as I'm -9 now, out of my initial margin, I'm already losing $0.06. Okay, remember, this is my margin here. This is the amount of money I used to open the trade. Remember, it was I used just $1 to open this trade. Okay, so you can see it here. Then this is the mark price, means the current price of the crypto asset. Okay, then the entry price there means the price at which I entered the market. Okay, so this is basically how you do some of these things. Okay, if you want to also see your orders, you can click here and you're going to see your orders. Okay, let's say you want to see the orders, how many trade have you taken, how have you done so far. Once you click here, you're going to see it. Okay, so let me click on it, so you're going to see it. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so this is my open order, this is my open, you can see everything is just there. Okay, so yeah, so that's oh, so you can see that the market, I didn't exit this market. Why did it take me out? Because the price has what, hit my SL. Are you getting me? You can see that this position closed by itself. I didn't close it because of what, the price actually what, hit my SL. Let's go and check it. Okay, you can see it actually bought it. You can see the market has closed and I'm at minus 0.8 because the market actually what, hit my stop loss. So this is how you do some of these things, right? No need for panic. It's very, very easy, and I trust that you've understood how this thing works. Okay, so see you guys in other videos. Okay, so now, okay, let me, before I go to the other video, let me just explain some other things again. Now this, maybe you want to go to your chart. Okay, of course you know what all of this is, more like the current price at which you're buying. This is the ask, and this is the bid. Okay, these things are not really so much, they're not things that will confuse you. Okay, but then so where are we going to go to next? Okay. So um um I'm coming. So we have um click. Sorry, I just got carried away. Click here on this icon here. Once you click on it, okay, you can see what happened. Okay, so you're going to see an interface. Most of these things here, you're not going to be using them, but for those of you asking for a demo account, okay, this is where you get your demo account. Once you click on this mock trading, it's going to take you to a demo account, and you can use that demo account to practice trading. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this section. You can actually practice, and you're definitely going to get more clarity.